You don't need a new year. You don't need motivation. You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle routine. You need small habits, the boring ones, the ones nobody claps for. Because the truth is, your life doesn't fall apart overnight. It slowly drifts. Late nights, endless scrolling, skipping workouts, avoiding hard conversations, and one day you wake up feeling behind. But here's the good news. If life can slowly fall apart, it can slowly rebuild too. Not in 7 days, not in 30 days, but in 6 months, everything can change. Here are 5 simple habits that quietly rebuild your life. Number 1, fix your sleep time. Not wake up at 5 a.m. Just sleep and wake at the same time daily. Discipline doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before. When your sleep is stable, your mind is stable. And when your mind is stable, your decisions improve. 2, move your body. Every day, not a crazy gym routine. Just 20 to 30 minutes. Walk, push-ups, stretching, anything. Movement clears mental fog. It reduces anxiety. It builds confidence quietly. You don't realize it in a week, but in 6 months, you'll feel like a different person. 3, 1 hour without your phone. Every single day. No scrolling, no dopamine hits. Just silence. Read, think, plan, journal. This one habit alone will separate you from 90% of people, because most people can't sit alone with their thoughts. 4, do one hard thing. Daily one uncomfortable action. Send the email, have the conversation, work on the project, apply for the opportunity. Confidence isn't built by affirmations, it's built by keeping promises to yourself. 5, track something: your workouts, your sleep, your mood, your habits. What gets tracked gets improved. When you see progress, even small progress, you stop feeling stuck. Here's the truth no one tells you. These habits won't feel exciting. They won't go viral. They won't impress anyone, but they will quietly rebuild you. 6 months from now, your body will feel stronger. Your mind will feel clearer. Your confidence will feel real, not loud, not fake, real. And it all started with simple things you decided to do daily. No drama, no motivation speech, just consistency. Start small, stay quiet, rebuild.